If you want to add multiple elements to a list, you can use the extend and append functions. In the highlighted example, England and China are being added in the country list using the extend function. You can add more elements to a list using the append function too. In the example given here, England and China are being added individually to the list using the append function. Now, there are differences between extend and append functions. Both are used to add elements, but if you pass a list of elements to extend function, it will add all the elements in the list individually. However, if you pass the list to the append function, it will add a sublist with the elements in the country list. The example given on the screen shows the same.